Hey YouTube, I'm Zach,
I'm Shelly.
and welcome back to Basic Acro Yoga Postures. So this next pose we're going to show you today is called Bat Pose. So let's just move right into it and we'll show you the dynamics. So one person on the ground on their back.
You're the base.
I'm the base.
I'm the flyer.
She's the flyer. And then hands connect and you reach around the thumb. And you take your feet right underneath the hip bone and the soft part of the thigh, and you inhale and you press, and you go up. And first, kind of bring the feet kind of wide and let the head hang. And then from here, you're going to bring the soles of the feet together like a butterfly stretch. And then she's going to reach through, after you feel comfy, reach through the inside of my legs and catching the soles of her feet. So we're like a bat. And then if you want to get a deeper stretch, you can tuck your chin in and stay right here. You can keep support on their shoulders or let go if they feel comfortable. You can massage your friend. You can take gentle little fists on their back or massage their neck. Yeah. And stay here for a little while. And then remember, when you come out of it, to always exit really slow because they might feel lightheaded. And let's show them one more variation. Can you take your hands in reverse prayer behind your back? Or you can reach for opposite elbows in reverse prayer. And then you can twist them. And they can get a nice stretch through the shoulders. And just remember to breathe. You can twist to the other side. And keep breathing deep. And then slowly reconnect your hands. Press the palms, feet wide. Slowly bend your knees at the base. Touch down. Release. And then if you want to give the base a little massage, you can pull their ankles and pull and just give them a little stretch to take out that compression. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.
See you in the next one. Namaste.
Namaste.